What are you talking about?
Ala, it's gonna
Ay, show ko na son! She keeps laughing at this video mo. Sige, go. Sige. No one's gonna find it funny. It's not gonna be funny. Okay, everyone laugh at it. Yeah. See, Tyler agrees.
We're gonna share it. Hey, she.
No,
What?
Okay, thank you.
You don't eat this?
Guys, watch this, it's so funny.
An answer, I'm just a friend.
Just watch right now.
There's no big friend, but they didn't even watch my first hosting experience. They just were.
I want ASAP.
No, I watched you.
Shout out from
Shut up! You didn't even watch. You're just making fun of that video talaga.
What video? Oh yeah.
Big friend.
Days.
Love from Palawan right now, you just went there.
Yeah, I love Palawan. Kahit na ito's ulan.
Shout out from like Kuwait, dude. Isn't that like in India?
Kaya mo yun.
Huh?
Where's Kuwait?
Ang good.
Africa?
That's a country.
Really? I know that's a new.
Oh, yes, in the continent.
They're from Kuwait. Kuwait?
Oh my God!
Quiet.
Hi, Rain, watching from Cebu.
I'm also in Cebu. Hey, matching.
Come on, come here. The address is...
Shut up.
Oh, thank
Rain,
you.
viral hosting.
Bagay daw ka mag-host.
Oh, thank you, thank you.
Yeah, guys. So bagay, like... When are you, like, get another hosting,
No, next week.
Ah!
Can you just behave? Sige, she's so cute.
And you behave.
They are...
Kaya yung question for Tyler and Hershey kasi they're so like, right now, like...
Adorable.
Middle
Stop
East.
making weird
Oh, it's in the
noises.
Middle East.
Sample Cebuano accent.
Go, speak Cebu. Speak Cebu.
Me?
Speak Cebuano.
Ah!
Oh my God!
Speak Bisaya. Show Cebu pride.
For Hershey.
I'm Chinese.
Oh. Maayong adlaw sa mga Jijimondira.
Guys, she doesn't talk like that in Bisaya.
Unlock.
What do I say in Bisaya?
No, in Bisaya you go like, someone
Ikaw daw.
You talk like that.
Sample daw.
Exactly.
Eh, my Bisaya is so demure, guys. So,
Oh, I love Lara.
mayong hapon.
Sorry.
My God!
Rain, come here, south of Cebu.
Ako
Where
yun.
Talisay? Okay, we'll go Minglanilla tomorrow.
Minglanilla.
I said
Is it Minglanilla or Minglanilla?
It's
You're just gonna
Mingla.
keep saying hi, Rain.
Hershey, kaldag, please.
What
Wait,
the-
reply to
Sorry,
you too.
that's
Reply to you
confidential.
too.
Huh?
What time are we planning to go there?
Bantay ang Matrix.
What time is it? Should we go now?
Jisoo in Cebu. I'm
Oh.
Jisoo.
Guys, I'm in Cebu because...
Okay.
Bye, Ivan, are you watching right now?
Oh my God! Magpakita ako ka na, oh! My God,
Wala
where?
man.
Bro, I'm not stupid!
Boy, it's so fast!
Asa?
Kanina!
Yolanda? That's her?
Bro, that's Baguio.
No, Yolanda, that's the name.
There you Ivan, oh!
Where?
Haman!
Bro, what are you saying?
What's wrong with you?
What's it me? It's you guys!
Can you point it? Can you point it?
Wala naman, no, wala. It's fast man. Good tayo. Yeah, I forget his name. Ivan, can you paramdam again? So guys, I'm here in Cebu because
What time daw?
Jisoo called me and she was like, I'm here in Cebu, you have to go
You
back.
guys want water? Eh, never mind.
There oh my God. There oh.
Oh, he's sending me roses.
It's me.
No, he's sending it because I'm here. Jaren.
Rain, can you
What do you
follow me?
keep saying, Jaren?
Huy, naman sa paubuton ka sa IT park.
Say thank you, say thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Jaren
Thank you for
Blue.
what?
Bro, because they sent us gifts. Bro. Really?
Papara papa.
They sent me gifts.
I saw the
Tap,
tweet
and repost.
with you and Joram and Johan. Love kita.
He's so... Bro, I was like, papa, I was answering.
Love kita.
I don't know.
No, you serious?
Love Reyna.
Whoa, it made a sound.
Can you answer Oh, Ate Colette? Hey!
Ooh,
Ate
hello.
Colette, si Ate Colette. This is Hershey, my best friend. This is my other best friend, Tyler.
No, it's not.
Shut up, you're not. Don't touch me.
What?
What is this? This is
Okay, answer. Thank you, Ate Colette. I miss you. I love you.
Hello,
I'm
po.
proud of you.
I can't
Hi,
see,
Ate
bro.
Colette.
Yeah, pas
Sino yung answer?
Basa.
Awa. Wala ka pa.
Big friend.
Gusto ko to.
Oh my God! Oh my God.
I don't know.
Macdo, it's a good decision you chose me, not them.
Why would we be chosen?
We're not famous.
Why?
So Sophia's
Papa
man.
Rapa
Isn't that
pa-
Fiang?
Paparapa
I
ka.
have no clue. I'm not...
Rina, sugot ka ikaw ang nag-yarna ka, pero lansyang manimo ka nun.
Wait, what's lansang?
Can you Tagalog that?
What's lansang? Thorns?
Probably.
Sa baang chew ani niyo eh.
Guys, you know Tyler chews with his mouth open.
Yeah.
No, I don't.
Oh my God, my pet peeve is Tyler On.
Then he has pinaypoy feet, but Jude.
You're just jealous of me.
I just
You're
arrived
at
and
Sunday
then...
show. It's not only me.
Matrix?
That is still doing.
Why would happen?
Who's your favorite artist?
What Matrix?
I know, right?
Me.
What? You were supposed to dip this.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my God.
Don't read so fast.
Huh?
Hello, what's at first
What's
fight?
Matrix?
Me.
Huh?
Black Zone.
Say random stuff. Ang say, San si Fiang? Nasa Cebu ako. Bakit nandito si Fiang? Nabuang?
Guys, if you want to come, never mind.
Oh my
The
god.
address is...
I live in Mabolo, Kasambagan.
Subo.
Guys, I live in Talisay.
Okay, I get water.
Who's your favorite K-pop idol though?
Jisoo!
Jenny Kim.
No,
Just because Jisoo is in Cebu?
It's Nayon.
No, actually, his best is Jisoo man.
Actually, si Jisoo did? Wow, really?
Amazing, no? Kamusta ang Sam?
I love him Nayon.
We're done! Oh my God! I'm breathing now.
Good job.
You know, if you failed.
Then shut up, Tyler.
What did he say?
If you fail.
Thank you for the motivation.
Thank you, ha. Thank you. Uy, Taylor looks handsome.
Taylor?
Taylor looks handsome po, Ate Reyna. Hehe. Show your face,
I
babe.
can't tell if that's a compliment or not.
Sorry,
because you
babe.
just
Sorry,
told
there's
me.
no Taylor here. There's only Tyler, so I believe.
Kayla ka sa Enhypen. Yes.
I introduced Enhypen to her before.
Yeah, she made me an engine.
What's his name? Jake? That's me.
Reyna's bias is Jay.
I just read Taylor's.
My bias is Jay.
I just...
Uy, someone sa taba lagi ang guy.
Huh?
Someone sa taba lagi ang guy.
Saba naman, guys.
Saba.
Nagluod.
What time will we go there?
Are you wearing shorts or pants? Pants.
Did you go home? Yeta, did you go home?
I think she did.
Wait, somebody's sending like
Guys,
childhood friend ni mo daw.
Tyler used to have a crush on... Tyler used to have a crush on me and Hershey.
That was like grade 4, dude.
Aw, guys. Our friend group is so attractive, my god.
Oh my God, please shut up. You're so getting. Oh my
That
God.
was grade 4.
But it's
No, they're
true.
gonna think it's some. Oh my gosh, never mind.
Oh my
You know what
God.
Tyler gave us, guys?
Why are
pag
you being
grade
so
four?
defensive?
Hey, vlog with Clover, Tyler plus Thunder. Aw.
I want guys, but I'm going back.
She's going back home na. Soon.
Ulan. Rain, rain, go.
Someone said Rain, attend prom.
Yeah, guys, I talked about it with my
Just talk
teacher
about
kanina. And then I have to be there like, for the practices as well. So there's conflict where I'm trying.
I hope
What
she's
if you
there.
get invited?
Hershey na.
Hershey, ano, are my favorite OFW couple.
Your favorite?
What's your favorite?
is that their songs?
That boy.
Oh my
Jared.
god, why did you not?
Someone said you're half Chinese.
Didn't you say you were half Chinese?
Okay, let me explain. When I was in grade 4, and then Tyler was like, no, because Tyler likes me magod.
Oh, ew.
No, can I talk?
He'll get cancelled for that.
That was grade 4. I was 10.
Yeah, but then now he's gay.
Oh my god, stop doing that! They're gonna believe lagi. Like, Tyler's not gay. So, the people who want to... I don't
I'm
know.
gonna kill you.
What did he say?
Secret.
Oh.
Never mind.
Nagtampo na si Tyler. Guys,
Tyler is
Tyler is
straight,
straight, guys. Please, Hershey's is so... Oh my god.
No one's gay in our friend group.
Just Hershey. Because her name is Bilchi Gay Hershey.
You released
So
my
corny.
whole name. They're gonna trace my birth certificate.
Lisa din na grabe.
Wait a minute, wait. You think they...
Nagsugo?
So yeah, guys, when I was in grade 4, I told him I was half Chinese because everyone, I'm young and everyone keeps asking if I
Oh, so
have
you
a
thought
blood.
so, though?
And then I asked my mom if we have Chinese blood.
Love
And then she
na.
did, can you be quiet? And then she did say na ay Chinese blood pero sa ilang side niya, medyo layo na. Then as a kid, I thought that meant I was half. So I told Tyler I was half. But he's pure Chinese, so he's yabang. He's like, really, eat this me.
Tyler Wood.
Faker.
Sino bias mo sa Bini?
Gosh, Jared Blues. Send TikTok. Thank you for the rose.
Go do that.
No.
When is Hershey's birthday? Whoa, they're asking. February 28.
No, she's February 29.
Is he pure Chinese? Yes, Tyler is pure Chinese.
Colonizer.
Oh. No, he's not half. He's full Chinese.
He's full Chinese.
100%. Shout out daw, Tyler.
Danica!
Oh!
Danica!
Love you, Hershey. Love you too. Will you
Will you
be at
be in-
Hershey's birthday?
I will be.
There's no pressure, no pressure. We talk every day, so.
Retreat. Oh my gosh, wait. Ano yung celebrity ka?
March
Oh yeah. Ano sa this is Saturday,
1. We're
right?
gonna sleep over. I think boys are allowed.
Why a boy kasi?
Where are you, a boy? You should have been a girl na lang.
Brie. Yan.
Oh! Sorry guys.
You know, Feb, what? I can't read that fast.
Wait, what time are we going there?
When Yeda goes to Ivan's house na, then let's go.
Bye.
Praying, bro, what's
She's taking a
up?
Maxim to with
Chandelier.
Ivan.
Speak Chinese, Tyler, please.
Go. Go.
We're here.
I don't know how to speak Chinese.
I'm gonna say, if I say Ching Chong, I'm gonna write that song.
Yo!
I'm Chinese though.
Tyler, can you speak Chinese?
Ni hao.
Oh, one sentence.
How do I don't
Someone said Tyler.
Kyung Hee.
What's Yong?
It's like Kyung Hee. Kyung Hai.
Tyler Kyung Hai?
Oh, it's. I don't
Someone's
know.
asking Mandarin Cantonese.
Both.
Both, pero you won't give us...
Guys, I learned a Chinese phrase from Tyler.
Ni hao man.
No? Neoping.
Okay, that's bad. You said that.
Neoping.
You know, Tyler was so yabang when we were bata. Like, he'd go to like older grades and
Wait.
he'd write Chinese in front of them.
Really? No way I did that.
Guys, back in grade 4,
Shut up.
I
Tyler
remember
would...
because...
Tyler would
No!
Guys, Tyler
Wait,
would
what's
get...
yabang?
Hamburg.
Hamburg.
Really?
Guys, Tyler would get the whiteboard marker and go...
And then write Chinese.
Don't remember
He'll
this.
write his name in
That was not me.
Chinese.
That's not me. That's
I remember because I had a crush on Tyler. And
Hey, may issue pa lang ka.
why?
Oh, you like Tyler ba?
Did they not?
What?
Did you like
I think you did.
Did they like me?
I don't know. I don't know. Probably. It's grade 4, bro. I don't remember
Yeah.
anything.
Whenever like...
I remember that I got accused of pushing Karaan down the stairs, though.
Oh.
Were you, Diamond?
Yeah, we were all
He's so
there.
issue in the section.
No,
He's like a
'cause-
bully boy.
I wasn't a bully. I was getting accused for everything. It was.
Uy, don't say that.
It was you guys.
No name dropping.
You were the bully and you were... No, guys. It's not serious bullying.
Someone said Tyrene.
Trigger warning.
Oh my gosh.
Trigger
please
warning.
no.
Oh,
Guys, I said it was before so that we won't get chipped.
Grade 4.
Because Tyler is taken.
Right,
Respect
Tyler
that.
has someone else.
And it's a girl, he's not gay.
Someone said Tyler Yana. Or is Tyler and Yana are from
Yeah.
the same school? Yes.
No, I'm from UC Med.
Shut up, Tyler. Yes, they're both from USC.
Oh no.
And then there's Carolinians watching.
Oh no.
Oh,
Are there Carolinians watching?
Was there a Tyrene but no Hershey? Happy Valentine's Day.
Ew! It's so gross. Like, I saw tweets na they thought you were my tinatagong girlfriend. Oh! Right, I will never date her.
Never.
She's so, like, red flag.
Hershey na rin.
Thank you.
Kami.
There! Finally, yes, keep coming.
UC main campus. May college.
Guys, sino host from UC?
California, USC.
Shanze or Telano? Someone's asking if that's a tattoo. No, guys.
Sorry, guys, while answering my exam, you know when you have to think. So I wrote a star. I don't know why.
Bata ting. Okay. I can't read. Walang baba homies.
Huh?
Pahinge fries.
Walang baba.
Ay, pahingi.
Walang baba. What? Walang baba ang homies?
Walang baba.
What's baba?
Chin?
Baba, go down.
Ay, baba?
Wala.
Baba. I'm from
Hey,
California.
Lalayag ba ang Zelda?
Did you ever date
Guys!
Kai daw?
Who's Zelda?
What you're gonna read, bro?
Oh, sorry.
Zelda. Wait, what did you read?
Selma Daez.
Have I
Guys!
ever met Kai?
Kuya
Yes.
Emilio Daez, bro.
Yes.
That's my kuya.
Guys, kaya Emilio Aguinaldo.
Huy!
Reina Jeneline? What the freak?
What the freak?
Guys, I hate to break it to you. We're not the love team there.
Who's the love team, Reina?
Rina, don't be in a love team.
But, do you want me in a love team? What can you say about that?
I think she's like an independent woman who can stand on her own. She doesn't need a love team.
About you, about you? Do you want to see me in a love team or no?
He's just gonna paraphrase what I said.
No.
Okay, go make your own
I'm
words.
just gonna say no because I'm not Jalan.
Ay. Sakto, George
Jari.
Hershey. Right?
How was the feeling? What? It's so fast, no?
Hmm?
What? How was the feeling that you're breathing the same air with Jesus? I know, right? I can't believe it.
How's the feeling you're breathing the same air as me?
Guys, help me bring.
Disgusting.
Saba.
Ew! Did you fart?
It was my fault.
Oh my God.
You're
My
so fighting.
pinaypay feet.
Can you guys help me get? Hi Tyler. Oh no, that would be my friend.
Oh, first impression of Kai.
Maldita.
Hershey and
Hershey.
Tyler. Oh, you also. You say it first.
Mine is Maldito.
I've never talked to her. I've
Oh,
seen
they
her.
never met pa? Ay, did you?
The first time I saw Kai.
I've seen her, but
Oh, you did. Kaya,
Oh, yeah.
Kaya and Tyler used to go to the same school.
Yeah.
So what?
What can you say? What was your impression?
I never talked to her though.
My God, impression na gani.
Impression what?
Like,
Oh, it's a girl.
Oh.
Tyler, thoughts in Jaren, please.
my God, he keeps reading like.
My first impression of Kai. Wait, Misa.
Bantay lagi, it's cancelable.
Okay, I won't say that.
The first time I saw Kai was when I watched the first episode of PBB.
What's it
Dude.
just?
Yeah, nag-talk sila ni Reina. And then I was like, damn, they're both from Cebu, same age. And I hope they get along.
Oh, it's
What?
a girl.
Secret.
Oh, I didn't hear it. Tyler, manggod.
Hey, you wanted to hear what I was gonna say.
Okay, wait, what was he saying? Can you say it now?
The one I said last night.
Smirker.
Okay.
My God.
Yeah, I like them.
Who's your bias with Mondi?
Zane.
Oh, I like the.
I remember. Oh my God. Wait, was it the Liam Payne? God, my friends are so. Okay, anyway. Like, I remember guys.
How are your friends?
Can you believe? Can you believe? Can you believe? Can you be quiet? Guys! Wait! I was watching PBB before and then you know, after PBB, di ba it ends late and then there's a news na panggabi,
Yeah.
news na pang nighttime. The first trailer ng news was Zayn leaving. Yeah, so I cried at night.
Oh yeah.
I was grade 4.
Aw. Guys, you know that, wait, did we
And then now, the first thing I learned when I went out of the house.
Oh yeah!
Liam died.
Yo, when I went out of the house, the first news is Liam dying. Oh my
Did you ever
God.
tell the world na pag grade 5 you had a clear pencil case and then it was filled with Zayn Malik pictures? Like as in front and back,
I
guys.
was grade 2 by the
Even
way.
inside. No, I was grade 5.
I was grade 2.
You went to my classroom, you were grade 5 Sapphire, I was grade
was
5
grade
Garnet.
2.
No.
I was grade 2.
No.
Okay,
Somebody said thank
this is
you.
what happened, guys.
Hi, Hershey from Samar.
I was copy pasting a Zayn Malik picture in Google and printing it, but I didn't know. I copy pasted the whole website.
Takot ka din, quiet.
Like the whole thing. So I have so many small pictures of Zayn Malik, and I didn't want to throw, so I pasted them all in my pencil case.
That's why it was so...
How do you remember so much stuff from grade 5?
It was
Because
still
I lived my life.
to the fullest.
My life started when I was like grade 9.
Huh? Namukha.
I don't remember anything from like grade 9 down.
Now you know, guys, how Tyler was in school when grade 4.
Okay, that's
Like he'd go like he'd go to school with his hair like super gelled, like really?
Yeah, me and
super
Jorah
gelled.
used to have the same
with style.
gel.
I almost said it.
Style
Like,
like,
Grabe, like you can see the strands separated because of the gel, and then he'd be eating his canned tangerines.
oh my god.
I remember.
You know how Tyler confessed to us? He confessed to us.
Okay. That's enough.
What did he confess to you?
That's enough. Hershey.
How did he confess to you?
No,
He said,
I don't even remember.
How
I
did he
think
confess
it's
to you?
bad.
yeah, you. I like you.
Oh, don't say it. He's
God,
gonna get
I remember
cancelled.
it now.
It was grade 4, it's okay.
No, it's not.
Yeah, the verification in IG. I'm trying to do that.
I'm not confess.
Guys, help me.
No, Tyler did not confess. He was a torpe.
Hey.
He.
Ikaw ha?
You know how he
Who's
did it?
torpe?
Shy.
Torpe?
Oh, I thought it was like
Torpedo?
Digimon.
Why do you keep saying that word?
No, I just thought.
It was grade 4, bro.
Anyway.
From Taiwan, no?
Oh yeah, wait, I have a question.
Just
What
leave
does gidle mean?
Gilid.
Side?
No.
I kept seeing comments like that. Something sa gidle.
Are you still in
That's what I
Palawan?
noticed, like, sa online, everyone's like, changing the words. You, so the one,
It's like... It's,
like, oat, nahiya na si oat, and it's tao pala.
No, that's
Oh,
That's Gilingo. That's Gilingo. Yeah, they flip the word around. Like, when they say sorry, it's like euros.
Are you?
I mean, wait. No, like, goodbye.
You can beat my life.
Guys, we missed Niall, Shanze, and Tyler. Ay, Sander.
Yo guys, we can't be complete. I'm so sad. College girls kasi sila eh. OAT? Oh, it's OAT, not OAT.
Tyler Bias Wrecker.
Tyler Bias Record? Oh, that's a new thing.
What? What is this?
No, everyone's
Sorry, OAT.
Everyone's bias record is Niall. No?
Yeah.
I said everyone should.
Yo.
Tyler Bisaya Core, please.
What did you read?
Why?
I lost it. Okay, I'm dyslexic.
Why, what was it? What was it?
I don't know. I was reading it this long and I was trying to read it.
Shanze, my bias. Spell it right first.
And everyone misspells her name.
Even you.
No, I don't.
Well, spell it big.
ZHANNCE.
Wow.
Wow!
Hi, next.
Impressive. Rain, hapit na akong board exam. Go, goodness. Oh my God, hi from Surigao! Guys, I'm from Surigao del
From
Norte.
Surigao. Good
Hello.
luck. God bless you sa boarding exams.
Are we even?
Impression though of Jaren though.
Can I double dip?
Yeah, no cares.
Okay.
Sing daw. Your new song.
Wait, can you sing a song?
Hello guys. Oh, they heard my song na.
So good, guys.
Star Music.
Did you listen to it already?
Yeah, when you showed me.
Hala, province ko yun. Surigao del Norte.
You're not Del Norte, di ba?
I'm Norte.
Ah, Norte.
No, you're not Hershey.
I get confused of Del Norte and Del Sur. I'm not in Palawan anymore. As you can see, I'm with this Cebuanos.
Asa sa Surigao. Secret, maybe you'll find
Hershey is
my
my bias. Panghatag rave from Salon.
What did you say? I'm your bias?
No, I'm reading it.
What? What did you say?
I'm reading it. Mag-concert ba daw ka? Hershey, my bias.
I'm your bias?
Oh my gosh. Hi, chocolate. Is it chocolate? Chocolate.
Where's Heda?
Someone said invite Yana to your birthday, Hershey. Huh? Someone's gonna celebrate my birthday.
Why? Oh, you're having
Cagayan de Oro.
Cagayan de Oro!
Hi. Hi, Cagayan.
Hershey skincare reveal, guys. You know, fun fact,
I don't understand.
Tyler, Reina, and Nile are
Who
like
does-
skincare queens.
It's a favorite. I love it. Like, before I used to like really
It feels so nice.
Guys, like, they're so amazing. Like, when they ask, like, what products they use, they'll be like, oh my gosh, I also use that.
And then Xander and Hershey goes, oh.
Like,
Like,
what? Use that?
I'll ask Hershey, oh, what cleanser do you use?
Water.
Katong puti, good, like, whatever way.
It's pink.
I'm saying like last year. Like, I didn't even ask this year.
You know, Sander just uses anything whitening.
Oh my
You know,
god.
you know, somebody told Sander that basta like, if he turns white down more, daw siya daming siya.
So, nagpuputi siya ron.
Di ba,
He
nagpuputi
keeps wearing
siya.
long sleeves niya.
Long sleeve, umbrella.
Magpayong,
No,
magpayong.
he's Moreno. He's Moreno.
Yung is Moreno, beauty man.
Embrace.
Why is
See,
it so silent?
see. Magulat ka kung may...
What? You know my score for Filipinos. Like,
I spoke Tagalog and he didn't understand it. He was
What
like,
did you say?
I was just like, magulat ka kung hindi maingay. And he was like, what? And then I just looked at him. He was like, you know my score in Filipino.
But Tyler is smart man, but like, everyone has flaws. His flaw is just Filipino. That's just an easy flaw.
I hate philosophy also.
Yeah, guys, I'm smart, but my flow is calculus.
I love calculus.
Same.
Shut up. My favorite is fractions.
Oh yeah, Rena's good at fractions.
Guys, I'm actually smart.
That?
I'm actually smart in math. Man, what are you on
She can
about?
do like really quick math.
5 over 22 plus 3 over 17.
Next question. Oh, the star on my face, guys. You know there was a star kanina, but then like it flew away, so like
Are those pimple patches or those just stickers?
it's a pimple patch, and then I put a star on top. My God, you fake fan.
Oh,
I didn't
but
even
they
know.
explained that in
I don't
our
even know.
vlog.
You be quiet.
Like
You-
anyone
Oh my
here
God,
knows.
Pinoy. Oy, Pinoy, can you eat the last?
Guys, we have
I'm so
explanation
full,
for the
bro.
star sticker in the upcoming vlog.
What?
Secret.
Hey, finish the last one. Ay, sumuko.
Wait, I ate like a full meal before I ate that.
I'm so full.
You said you're bulking.
Okay, fine, I'll eat it because
Yeah, I'll eat it.
Never mind. Wait, don't force yourself.
you
That's
may,
gluttony.
you. Okay, ako na lang ha.
Tarlac. Hi, Ulan. Ulan is rain, right?
Guys, you know before, like, dugay na, my dad calls Reyna Ulan. Right? So cute. Shout out Abraham Lade.
Abraham. Ay, Tito Abraham.
Kai is watching. No, she's not.
Yeah, that's right. He's my dad. Guys, watching?
Shout out to my father,
think so.
Abraham Lade.
She's not.
Guys, fun fact guys, my last name's actually Lade, not Laid.
Rain risky.
What's your P?
I don't know. There's
Shout
three.
out from Surigao City.
Who's the smartest
Let's
among
go,
you three?
Surigao.
Who's the smartest dog?
Not Tyler.
Shanzi.
Shanzi.
Trigani.
But Tyler's smart, you know it.
Tyler's the smartest out of us.
Guys,
Three.
Tyler is high honors.
Yeah, Tyler is like...
I
Come
got
on,
a
Tyler,
puppy.
flex, come here.
Flex what?
Who's the
Let's see
highest
your
score in
grade.
calculus last year? Bahambol. Eh, what's so humbug sa atin last year?
I know, right?
What happened last year?
How do you live your life? Like, are you on like times 2?
Oh,
OAT pala yun, OAT. Was it the broke? Golden Norte. Why is it Karen Broken Heart?
What's everyone commenting sa Golden Norte na?
Nosebleed na us.
Ay, no, I've never seen
Guys, stop
that.
speaking English daw lagi.
Okay.
Nosebleed na us.
Tyler, speak Tagalog.
I can't speak Tagalog.
Why?
I really can't speak Tagalog. Wait,
Kaya naman na, good.
what's that like really long word in Tagalog?
Nakapagpagabag.
Nakapagabag.
Yeah, I can say that.
Nakapag
That's my biggest
bagabagab.
flex.
Nakakapagpagababag.
Nakapagpagabagab.
Why are you adding so much other
No,
syllables?
that's-
Why you adding like pinaka?
Oh my God!
Ang pinaka.
My dugo went out.
Nakakapagpabagabag.
Nakakapagpagababag. What? Again.
Pagabagab.
Nakakapag.
Nakakapag.
Nakabag.
Nakakapagpagabagab.
Babagabag.
Nakakapagpagababag.
Pagabagab.
Mukha nimong babag.
Pagabagab.
Nakakapagpagabagabag.
Nakakapag. Follow me everyone.
Nakakapag.
Nakakapag. Tyler.
My God, patience!
Take one. Nakakapag.
Nakabakag.
Nakakapag.
Nanakapag.
Nakaka.
Oh, freaking balls. Nanakapag. Pagabagab. Damdamin.
Nakaka.
Nanaka.
Okay, let's do it by freaking syllable. Na.
Na.
Ka.
Ka.
Nakawag.
Oh my God, can you follow?
Na.
Na.
Ka.
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 Baga. Bagabag.
Ah, na-wrong na noon ko. Ambot ni
What? Wait lang guys, my mom's calling.